academic culture, and the roles and responsibilities of agents and counselors, and what we are seeking to achieve as a university. So annually, we do this training program for agents, for counselors, so that they will be abreast with the developments that we have on our campus.
This event was actually an expose on everything, so I got to understand and in-depthly what Lancaster University Ghana entails, and I love how students get the opportunity to go for internships.
Lancaster University Ghana has given Africa that opportunity, that chance to acquire international education within the confines of the continent, which is Africa.
This is my first time of coming in contact with Lancaster University, and I must say that the training was very impactful, it was very insightful, it was very educating, and it was very motivating as well.
I think there is need to expand the courses that we have so that we can have enough things to sell to parents. Regular workshop like this brings about exchange of ideas and for the betterment of the university.
I'm happy the feedback has been so positive. I've got very constructive criticisms as well as to what the expectations are.